very rusty. This one is key operated only. Yeah, this is the 4251-30. Originally, it had the brake glass in it, but I took it out to do this video, and here it is. Let's get back to resetting this sucker. Here's a metal button T-bar. And this one is no ordinary 4251. This one is an addressable variant. This one is a 2099 9784 early variant. These would go on a 2120 system. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Sorry for the lack of uploads. I've been very busy with personal things going on in my life and work and stuff like that, and taking care of personal stuff. I will try to upload as often as I can, but as of now, with the personal responsibilities going on, I will upload occasionally. Have a nice day, guys, and I will see you guys soon.